What is going on, guys? It's Aaron with Lansing Lawn Service. Today I've got to work on my snowplow. So what happened is one of my headlights on the snowplow mount has basically broken. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Okay guys, so this is what I'm talking about right here. All of these little clips have broken. Either this part right here has broken. I don't know if you can see that real clear, but either this part has broken or the plastic piece here has broken. So they really all it has to be replaced. It's under warranty. It shakes, and because this is broken, that's where this whole thing gets its rigidity. So I've got to just replace the whole light. I've got that right here. Got it right here. Got the new light here. And then we'll wire it up, and hopefully it's pretty easy. So now I got to take the back off here. Just got to take off these three, and then we'll get inside and disconnect the wires. Gosh, this is simple. So we just unplug it at both spots and hook it up on the other one. Let's go! I love it when jobs are this easy. Now we just hook up the lights. I mean, that could not be any easier, honestly. Could not be any easier. With these star, I don't know what they call them. I call them a star head. You want to make sure you have the right size, because those strip out real easy. That is way better. Way better. Looks good. Guys, this was probably the easiest fix I have ever had to do. That was so easy. And it was phenomenal. Phenomenally easy. It was so simple. I mean, seriously, really, really simple. So that's how you fix a headlight on a SnowEX plow or SnowEX plow. Super simple. So thanks for watching, guys. Hit that subscribe button. Make sure you definitely hit that like button. That helps the algorithm really pick up the video. And guys, that's it. I will see you in the next one.